What's up everyone, this is going to be my first test with the gas processor. For those of you who haven't seen this before, this is my design off Stan Mayer's concepts on his gas processor. So basically in the bottom here you have two electrodes. The outer one has a slit cut in it, so this light here can shine through. It's a xenon light into the ionization chamber. Between the light and the electrodes there is a quartz tube. It's quartz because it doesn't filter UV. It's important. You can't use plastics and stuff like that. Up here is where the electrode connections are, and also an electron extraction screen I don't have hooked up to anything. On the top here is this spark gap thing that I made before. So down here is the compressor. This is going to be blowing air through this whole thing. So basically what I'm looking for is if there's any change in the arc because of this energy that I'm adding in down here. Now the electrodes are powered by a rectified microwave oven transformer, so we're only looking at about 2,000 volts potential here. Not nearly enough to ionize anything probably, but we're going to try it out anyway. So I have a lot of stuff to plug in, so just hang tight. Okay, so now the light is on. You can see it in there. There's kind of like a tinfoil reflective thing to try to just aim all the photon energy into the center. And also the potential is on, 2,000 volts across the electrodes. So now I will turn on the compressor and see what, you know what, actually, I should probably do this for reference. For reference, I'll just show you what the spark gap looks like without the light on or the potential, and just so we have that for reference in case you haven't seen the last videos or need a refresher. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, I'll plug in everything else. Alright, so our photon source is back on, the electric fields are back on. I'll plug the compressor back in. Alright, so I didn't see any change, kind of what I expected, and that's alright. This is just the beginning. Next thing to really do here is use a much larger potential and see what happens. But Oh, and I'm wearing UV torching goggles right now. If you're going to try this stuff at home, make sure you stay safe. All right, thanks for watching.